Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about the Apple Watch and some of my favorite watch bands that I use. Yes, I have been using the Apple Watch SE1 or first generation now here for about a week. We'll be dropping my 1 week review here shortly. But one of the things I have appreciated about this watch is simply how nice it is for an SE model. I mean, I think the first gen is just now getting phased out of software updates. It did receive watchOS 10.3, but in terms of a lot of features, they didn't come down to the SE1. They came down to the SE2 though. But in terms of size, I got the 44 millimeter, and I have some really nice silicone bands. This is the red one here that I primarily use because it feels really, really good. And again, it's red. It's my favorite color, and low-key matches the red crown ring. Now, links will be in the description for all these products. Most of these, including this one's going to be on Amazon. These two will be on Pitaka. I will have my links down in the description for you guys. Shout out to Pitaka again for hooking your butt up. But what we're going to start with is the silicone band. Of course, as you see, it's already on. Has a nice fit. It fits in the grooves just fine. It kind of feels like it's more like a 40 millimeter size in terms of how it fits within the slot there. But very comfortable feel. Very comfortable. I usually go about on the fourth one, so this comes all the way through to about the fourth one right there, and I really love how this looks. So let's put this on real quick. We'll demonstrate what the bands look like. And this silicone band comes with the other colored bands. So upon putting this on here, as you see, I kind of have the wrist ring, but see, as I said right there, swap it in, boom, just like that, and it fits on like so. Now for my wrist, the 44 mil doesn't fit bad at all. As you see, it still fits within my wrist parameters. And with these silicone bands, it's nice because they fall so much closer to the actual watch itself. So there's very, very minimal, if any, hang time outside of the wrist. Keep in mind that some watch bands, like real nice leather bands, some Milanese bands, even some metal bracelet bands will have lugs on them, which will then carry over your wrist. So depending on your wrist size and the size watch you have, be mindful of those style watch band connectors. But these ones make this watch feel really good. For me, I might jump down to a 40 just because I love timepieces and I kind of wear more wrist appropriate sized watches. And this SE, although very good, it feels good, it fits my wrist, it's that scary, like, just in case I really like a band, but I don't want to look ridiculous on my wrist type of thoughts I'll be having. So this one. This is the red one. Very, very nice. And these are always easy for the most part, to take out. You press the little button right there, slide, and it should slide up or down. So it slides down. And as you see, the silver side faces down on these. So I think that's an indication for most of them. And as you see, I wear my watch on my right wrist, and that's how I have my SE set up here. So if you guys here, you have the same color here in gray. Very beautiful. Very, very nice. It matches the black SE that I have, and I'm kind of mad that or space gray. I'm kind of disappointed that they didn't go space gray again. They went midnight. It went more of a blue tone, but they should have stuck with this space gray because it was so beautiful. And then you get this one here, which is kind of like a teal look that also goes with this very well. It goes with really any of the colors that you get, minus maybe the pink, but this is very, very nice as well. You get like 3 or 4 because if I didn't bring it in here, but there's also a midnight blue color that you can get with those. So these come like in one bundle piece on Amazon. Like I said, links will be in the description. Here is more of a cloth style, kind of semi-stretch. Very comfortable. Very, very comfortable on the wrist. Make sure you get the right size. I think this is like a small medium. Fits my wrist very, very nicely. And as I demonstrate here, because I need to know which side I need to go on with this. This side, I believe, goes here. For me, I care about where this is, the double loop. I like that inwards as opposed to outwards. It makes the watch look smaller. So sliding that in, sliding this in, it's on just like that, and it's There's no real resizing. If you can resize here, this part just kind of bundles up a little bit more. But upon showing you, just a little work to get it on. But once it's on, it's on. So as you see, there's no movement. Like it fits the wrist very nicely. I think if it looks good, it looks understated from that perspective. And then for us as men, of course, it does not look girly. I think it looks very nice. Incognito. It's black and it goes with the space gray Apple Watch SE that I have here. And this, I believe it comes with two, so two or three. Because again, I think there might be a white one somewhere lost around the house. But these are like bundle packs you can get. This is the red color. I have not taken out to show you guys. But I like this red. This red looks kind of good too. So upon taking this one out, come here, boom, throw that over there. This red, a little brighter than expected, but it still looks good because like it's a little darker right there. It's, oh, okay. So if you want to, boom, like that, it would look. Ooh, that does look kind of good. That's nice. That's nice with a little gold accent on it. So good watch band here. Again, links will be in the description. Very solid, affordable watch bands. The fun begins with these Pitaka ones because Pitaka sent out two. They sent out an aramid carbon fiber or chroma carbon watch band here and their carbon fiber band here called Modern, essentially. And this is about to be beautiful. So upon sliding this boy out like that, ratata, we're going to put this over here. The packaging is beautiful. Kind of feels Apple-esque. I think right here, this is a links adjuster. So this is what you use to pop out the links to adjust the band to your wrist size. And I adjust mine a little different. I like to adjust mine taking the links out on the inner wrist so that way the watch stays a little more centered and inward on the wrist. So little points of reference there for you guys when it comes to adjusting links or bracelet based watch bands. So again, throw this over to the side, and this is the carbon fiber right here. Just beautiful. And look at, they got a little pull up tab, and it's just, whew, this looks so good. And what's nice is, I'll show you guys in a second, look at this carbon fiber. Look how it shines, and it's light. Oh my goodness, it's light. I mean, it's outside of this middle piece here, it would basically weigh about the same amount as these cloth-based, these silicone-based watch bands. Just beautiful artwork, beautiful manufacturing. Come on now, focus. Thank you. By Pitaka. Ooh, woo. Very, very clean. So, yes, these are the links that you would use. This tool right here to eliminate links. So depending on how you're going to have it set up on your wrist, so you probably need to find that out first. So for me, that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like on my wrist. And after much finagling and trying to figure out how to actually take these links out, I finally figured it out. Good case in point is when you're going to use the link removal strap or tool, link removal tool, you want to make sure that the watch is facing downward, or like you have this like this. So you want to face down and like this, and then poke that way. That's the way I found success in trying to get this straight. So this is the carbon fiber, and how beautiful it looks with this space gray Apple Watch SE. Just beautiful. And as I said, I eliminated most of them from the inner side. And there's like just a slight give, ever so slight. And it's probably just because of the smooth material from the carbon fiber. But it is very, very light. Absolutely light and well built. So this is a nice, very nice Apple Watch band. And now the big boy, the Apple Watch band and stairs. This is the aramid and carbon fiber. And what's beautiful about this is you get the best of both worlds to maintain durability while remaining light, conductive and non-conductive at the same time. Both of these weigh around 31 grams. Considered chroma carbon. And yes, as you guys can see, you can get them for several different watch band or watch series there. So let's go ahead and unpackage this. And Pitaka knows how to handle their packaging. There we go. Pitaka. Over there. Get your paperwork in here. Pitaka, build your inner mind. This is ooh, I didn't like that sound at all. Those are the pieces. And this is the Dreamland chromocarbon band for Apple Watch. And I got the Stairs edition. And here are the pieces. And ooh, what a beautiful color. This would definitely go with the Midnight SE2 and the Starlight. And the inner side is carbon, while the outside is an aramid fiber. Just beautiful, immaculate. Their ability to design is just really, really clean. So hopefully you guys appreciate this here. And the same thing I'll do here is eliminate what I need to. It looks to be about 5 links for me in order to get this to be sized correctly. But what they also provide is a Rubik's Cube. That is absolutely fire. And if you want to mess it up, you can. I've never solved the Rubik's Cube before. I don't think I'm going to today, but I do like the fact that you get a Rubik's Cube with Pitaka's logo on it, which is absolutely fire. You're supposed to use these to actually peel them out. That didn't happen in our case. And I think there's a little bit more. Let's see what's going on here. Ooh, a little pouch. And upon opening it here, you get additional or alternative heads here. Now, I thought these were a little bit smaller, meaning you can go 44 or 40, and then you get an extra link there if you need it, depending on the size of your wrist. So what beautiful packaging they provided. And that's pretty much all that you're going to get in here. Let's go ahead and get these watch bands sized up for your boy. And voila, this is what this Stairs one looks like, which looks absolutely fire as well. And as you can see, you get a good contrast with that carbon on the side, carbon on the bottom, and you can mismatch this with the other colors if you wanted to too, just to give yourself a little added fashion flair. But that looks really good. And then this side latches on to this side. It's gonna be too hard to do this on camera, so let me go ahead and do this off. And voila, there it is. And that black just makes it look so much better. And you see Pitaka right there. Just super clean, super nice. Fits, got a nice little loose vibe because, again, it's more smooth material. It's not suffocating my wrist at all. Even though it may look like it, it's, as you see, I got plenty of wiggle room. You can hear it. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's not going nowhere. Look at all that gap. Yeah, we're good. And that is my favorite watch bands. And the reason why I can easily say these are my favorite is because upon putting them on, fire. Now, kind of a pain having to do the link removals. It's a lot easier on regular other bracelets. So I would definitely hope that that could be slightly more simplified. But the result that you get is just impeccable. So links will be in the description for all of these watch bands. And of course, if you order the Dreamland, you do end up getting something beautiful like this, which is a Rubik's Cube. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that like button. It's free. Subscribe to the channel. It's free. And hit that notification bell. It's also free, so that way you never miss my videos. So that way you and I can sit back and see what's cracking. I'm your man Micah signing out. Until the next video. Wait for it.